we're going to talk about one of the items involved in a major tune-up or vehicle overhaul. The item we're going to talk about in this clip is removal and inspection and replacement of your vehicle's air filter. On this particular vehicle, the air filter is located right here in front of me. There are several ways they use to clamp the housing together between the upper and bottom portion. It can be clipped together, it can pop together, it can have screws that hold it together, or bolts. This one happens to have one clip. It's over here on this side. So flick of the finger and the clip comes loose. I'm going to go ahead, unhook that, rotate this out of the way, and give it a pop. That's the upper portion of the housing. So you can see this is the vehicle's air filter right here. It's a paper style element. It has its own gasket built into it. It's this piece here. As you can see, this air filter is beginning to come apart in a few locations. This will allow dirt to enter in the engine and over time will cause excessive wear. This filter here should be replaced. How you would replace the air filter is just by removing it and installing a new one. For the sake of discussion, I'm just going to put the old one back in it. We'll seat it right back here in its location. We're going to take our upper housing, pop it back into place. This step is only going to be required for this particular vehicle. Line up our housing, slide it into place, and clip the front back together. That's replacement of your air filter.